do is it's going to say, I'm going to assign a list of fields as a field inside this class type. And I'm going to have 0 or more fields allowed. So every time I see a field, I add it to that list. Let's define a field. And for starters, we'll make this real simple. Type equals ID, name equals ID. And we'll put a semicolon in, why not? So in the middle of this class definition, we can have a word that represents the type, a word that represents the name of the field. And we can have any number of these inside that class. Okay, so there's a basic class definition now. Let's put in an enum type. He's going to say enum, and then name equals ID, curly brace, values plus equals value. Let's say that enum has to have at least one value in it. Something like that. Value is going to be nice and simple. He's just going to be name equals ID. Now what I'm doing here, I'm not requiring commas. Let me show you what a comma would look like. I don't like commas. Whenever I work with dealing with languages, I hate commas because they're very irregular. Instead of being after everything, they're in between things, which just makes it really a hassle to figure out when do you put them in when you're actually generating code. But if we wanted to have a comma here, what I could do is say values plus equals the first value, and then comma 0 or more of comma value, comma value, comma value, comma value. Make sense? So that requires commas. I'm going to be nice and not require commas because I don't like commas. So I'm going to do this.